Our Haʻawina Ōlelo Hawaii for today is how to say man and woman. Repeat after me. Kane. Kane means man, but it can also mean a husband or a boyfriend. You know, if you're referring to your husband, you say ku'ukane, my beloved kane, my man, my husband. And the next word we're going to practice is wahine. And you can also use it with, the W can be more of a V sound, so it sounds like this. Wahine. Mai ka'iloa. And same goes for wahine. So if a kane or the lover is referring to the other one who's a wahine as their other half, they're going to say, that's my wahine. That's my wife. That's my girlfriend. Mai ka'iloa.